So let's move on and understand what exactly artificial intelligence is. The term artificial intelligence was first coined in the year 1956 by John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference. Right, I already mentioned this before. It was the birth of AI in 1956. Now, how did he define artificial intelligence? John McCarthy defined AI as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. In other words, artificial intelligence is the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and transaction between languages. So guys, in a sense, AI is a technique of getting machines to work and behave like humans. In the recent past, artificial intelligence has been able to accomplish this by creating machines and robots that have been used in a wide range of fields, including healthcare, robotics, marketing, business analytics, and many more.